This is CompTIA Lab 3.4.3 and we're going to encrypt files with EFS. So you share a computer with other users at work. You want to secure the content of the finance folder so that unauthorized users cannot view its content. So in this lab, your task is to encrypt the finance folder and the rest. So let's go ahead and start up lab and see how we do. Alright, we are inside the lab. Remember that we're going to encrypt the finance folder and all of its content. We're going to give John file access to encrypted the finance folder. We're going to add encryption certificate. And we're going to do that by adding encryption certificate. So the first thing we want to do is we'll go to the file explorer. While inside the file explorer, we want to locate the D drive, and in the D drive we have a certain folder we want to open, which is the finance folder. That is what we're going to be working on. So we'll go ahead and to the properties. Inside the properties, we want to locate advanced, and inside advanced, we want to go ahead and encrypt the folder. So we'll go ahead and check this and go ahead and click OK. Go ahead and click OK here. Be sure to apply the changes to the folder, subfolders, and file. Go ahead and click OK. And that is done. You can see the sign here. The lock sign is there already. So go ahead to properties again. We'll go to advanced attribute, and everything seems fine here. Alright, so the next thing we want to do, second task, give John file access to the encrypted. Okay, so we have we're going to give John file access to this particular file here. So we'll go to advanced, and under advanced we want to look at the details. Under details we'll go ahead and add John. Select John here and we'll click OK. So we'll go ahead and click OK here also. We click OK here. We'll go ahead and click OK here. Okay, I guess that is done. And let's see, is there any other thing we need to do here? Everything here appears to be fine. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember to reach out to me if you're having any challenges with any of your IT courses, and I will make sure you come out with an A. Just reach out to me through the WhatsApp number on the screen. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.